So we're not trying. It'll perform whether you're watching it or not. It's irrelevant, right? But if you want to, like for example, a person as a chart trader, you can say long or short only or both or whatever, and toggle that. So if you want to fly the plane a little bit, you can do that with Ripper XAI. So if you want to attack the open, which is where the most volatility is, that's where the potential to make the most money the fastest is. So most people can get all their money for the day on the open, like maybe a half hour before, and an hour or so, hour and a half after the open, and get all the money they want for the day. That's where we make the bulk of our money. That's where the bulk of the movement is. Right?
But what would the expectations be if you talk to somebody that's brand new, watch this podcast? What would be the expectation?
Well, the same we talked about last time, the 1%, right? But you can get that in a lot of different ways. So we want to take your psychological makeup, right? It's about statistics. That's it. Emotions have no place here. If we're just talking dollars and cents, trading at 10,000, 50,000 your own money doesn't make any sense.
And what we're talking about right now is expectation, which kind of like flows right into what we were talking about previously on the previous podcast. Was position management. What was risk, right? The human thought process of being stressed out when you're trading. That's what we're talking about right now. Is the reason why Brian's saying 25, 30,000 before he starts, because he's trying to remove the emotions from you guys from trading. So the less emotions that you have, the more stress that you have, the less that you're going to make adjustments with platforms, your own trading or automation, and then you're just going to
3 or 4, maybe 5 of those funded. Once they start paying you out, take that money, form your own LLC, put it in there, and start trading your own cash with the prop accounts, and you're flying. 6 months you can go from nothing to very successful in a 6-month time window, just following that game plan.